Hey, what's up everybody, it's Cornelius, and welcome back to the channel. Listen, I know most of you are busy hustling, grinding, trying to build that financial freedom we all dream about. And one of the best ways to get there is by making your money work for you, right? That's why today we're diving headfirst into the exciting world of Forex trading. Because let's be real, who doesn't want the chance to potentially turn a few $100 into a whole lot more? Now, I'm not saying it's easy, and I'm definitely not promising you'll be swimming in cash overnight. Forex trading takes time, dedication, and a whole lot of learning. But, with the right strategies and a little bit of patience, it can be an incredibly powerful tool on your journey to financial independence. So, buckle up, grab your notebooks, and get ready to take some notes because in this video, I'm breaking down 4 key reversal opportunities I'm seeing in the market right now. We're talking about high probability signals that could potentially lead to some serious profits. Let's do this. Alright, first up, let's talk about EUR/GBP. Now, if you've been following me for a while, you know I love to look for those key levels and patterns that indicate a potential shift in momentum. And guess what? EUR/GBP is flashing some serious buy signals right now. We're seeing a classic bearish 121 pattern that has recently flipped direction, giving us a strong buy signal at 0.83705. Think about it, guys. The British pound has been taking a bit of a beating lately, and that weakness is creating some interesting opportunities for the euro. And when I see a setup like this, with a clear pattern reversal and a defined entry point, I pay attention. Now before you go all in on EUR/GBP, remember it's all about managing your risk. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversification is key, people. But with this potential upward momentum, EUR/GBP is definitely one to keep your eye on. Think about it, what's driving the markets right now? We've got economic data coming out, geopolitical events unfolding, and all of these factors can impact currency valuations. So when you see a pattern like this in EUR/GBP, it's a sign that something's brewing. Of course, past performance is not indicative of future results. Trading always involves risk, and it's crucial to have a solid risk management strategy in place. But by understanding these patterns, analyzing the fundamentals, and managing your risk effectively, you can put yourself in a position to potentially capitalize on these market moves. Moving on to our next pair, USD/CAD. Now this one's interesting because we've got a confluence of factors working in favor of the US dollar. First off, we're seeing a bearish bat pattern that has reversed, presenting a very tempting buy setup at 1.43801. This pattern, my friends, is like a neon sign flashing buy for savvy Forex traders. But here's the thing, it's not just about the technicals. We've also got fundamentals supporting this move. Oil prices, as you know, have been on a bit of a roller coaster ride lately, and with recent pullbacks in oil, the Canadian dollar, being a commodity-linked currency, is feeling the pressure. This, my friends, creates the perfect storm for the US dollar to appreciate against its Canadian counterpart. And when you combine this fundamental backdrop with the technical buy signal we're seeing on the charts, it becomes a no-brainer trade setup. Remember though, trading is all about probabilities. No strategy is foolproof, and it's essential to have a solid risk management plan in place. But by understanding the forces at play in the market and identifying high probability setups like this one in USD/CAD, you can significantly increase your chances of success. Now, let's shift our attention to EUR/CAD, where we're seeing yet another bullish opportunity emerging. With the price currently at 1.55247, this pair is flashing some serious buy signals, thanks to a bearish 121 pattern inversion. That's right, folks. Another classic reversal pattern pointing towards potential upside. But here's what's really interesting. This move in EUR/CAD isn't happening in isolation. We're seeing broad-based euro strength across multiple currency pairs, and that's something you definitely want to pay attention to. When a currency starts gaining momentum against multiple counterparts, it's a sign of underlying strength and potentially a trend shift in the making. Now you might be wondering what's fueling this euro rally. Well, it's a combination of factors including positive economic data coming out of the Eurozone and a shift in market sentiment. Remember, Forex trading is all about understanding the interplay between technicals and fundamentals. So when you see a technical setup like this in EUR/CAD, coupled with a supportive fundamental backdrop, it creates a compelling trading opportunity. Of course, as always, manage your risk and never risk more than you can afford to lose. Last but not least, let's talk about GBP/CAD. where we're seeing a potential buy setup forming at 1.85771. Now, you might be thinking, hold on, didn't you say the British pound was weak earlier? And you'd be absolutely right. But here's the thing, Forex trading is all about relative strength and weakness. While the British pound might be struggling against some currencies, it's showing signs of life against the Canadian dollar. And that's what makes this setup so intriguing. The pattern we're seeing in GBP/CAD suggests that buyers are stepping in and regaining control, potentially targeting the next resistance zone around 1.8650. Now, this doesn't mean it's going to be a straight shot up. There will be fluctuations along the way, and it's crucial to have a solid trading plan and manage your risk effectively. But by recognizing these patterns, understanding the underlying market dynamics and staying disciplined with your trading strategy, you can position yourself to potentially profit from these market moves. Remember folks, knowledge is power in the Forex market, so stay informed, stay disciplined, and never stop learning. Alright guys, that was a lot of information, I know, but trust me, it's worth taking the time to really understand these concepts. Remember, Forex trading can be a powerful way to build wealth, but it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes time, effort, and a commitment to learning and improving your skills. Don't forget to check out the description below for some exclusive trading tools and ebooks that can help you take your Forex game to the next level. And hey, if you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more Forex market analysis and trading tips. Until next time, happy trading.